For years, the creator playbook has been a grinding uphill crawl. You post, you wait, and you hope to eventually hit that magical 10,000 follower mark so you can finally pitch your first brand sponsor. Zokera skips that waiting period entirely. It is a creator commerce platform designed to let you monetize your content from day one, regardless of your audience size. To get started right now, you only need two things: a smartphone connected to the internet and an active social media account or a community messaging app. You do not need a massive follower count, a polished media kit, or years spent building direct relationships with brands. The real hurdle to earning your first dollar is not how many people are watching you. It is whether you have an automated system in place to capture the engagement you already have. Step 1 is setting up your hub. Head to Zokera's website and complete the free creator account registration. Log in to access a directory of over 1,000 partner brands. Browse the catalog, select items to feature, and pull them directly into your storefront layout. Next, add your name, adjust the header, and set a matching color palette. When you see 1,000 brands available, the immediate temptation is to turn your page into a digital mall, throwing in everything from laptops to lipstick. Resist that urge. This diagram shows the difference between a cluttered layout and a curated one. Narrow your focus. Pick one specific product category, like budget skincare or home office tech, and only stock items you genuinely use and recommend. A tightly curated page positions you as a reliable resource. When visitors know exactly what to expect from your recommendations, they trust your judgment, and that trust drives higher conversion rates. Once your storefront is live, the standard move is to copy the link and drop it into your Instagram bio. We are going to take a more active approach. Take that same link and bring it directly to the places where your core community actually talks, like your active WhatsApp groups or Telegram channels. When you share it, add a quick personal note explaining exactly why you are recommending this specific product to them. A group chat of 20 friends or family members who actively listen to you will consistently generate more clicks than a passive audience of 1,000 strangers scrolling past your profile. Influence relies on proximity and direct access. Tapping into your private, tight-knit communities is the most lucrative starting point for getting your first sales flowing. For the audience you do have on social media, we will use Zokera's Auto DM feature to handle your link distribution entirely hands-free. You assign a specific keyword, and when a viewer leaves a comment with that word on your post, the system instantly fires off a direct message straight to their inbox containing your exact storefront link. You completely eliminate the tedious process of scrolling through notifications and manually copying and pasting URLs to every interested person. To activate this flow, proactively tell your viewers what to do in your video. Tell them to comment the exact trigger word to get the model you are using, and make sure to explicitly remind your audience of one crucial detail. Buying through your specific link provides them with an automatic cashback reward. Auto DM turns your content into a responsive 24/7 sales funnel. You capture every piece of engagement instantly, effectively neutralizing the disadvantage of a small follower count. Let's review where we are. You have a fully customized, live storefront stocked with focused niche recommendations. You have shared your link directly with your core community, and your auto DM system is primed to catch and convert any social media traffic. This flowchart shows the exact financial mechanics of your setup. The moment a successful transaction takes place through your storefront, the system triggers two events. You earn a commission for the referral, and your shopper earns cash back. Your final task today is to test the system. Film one short reel or post one WhatsApp status recommending your favorite product and attach your new automated process to it. A small audience paired with a smart automated commerce system will earn you real income right now. Waiting for a massive crowd to arrive is no longer required.